Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Rajiv Pujala. In this video, let's talk about RAND, random function. So why exactly this random is being used and why it is helpful. For example, if you would like to generate a number randomly out of 1 to 100, you can use a rand function. For example, let's say you have 100 rows of data where you have to pick one or two sample records. So instead of picking 20th or 30th, you can use a random function. Whatever the number it generates, you can pick that one. So where this random function is specifically used, so for example, dice rolls. Whenever you're playing this dice rolls, so it has to generate a number in between 1 and 6 all the time, right? So for that, you can use the random function. Or for example, you have like 1,000 numbers and you have to pick one number randomly so that, for example, it's a lottery. Okay, in those cases as well, we can use the random function. So let's generate a number. Let's generate a random number between 0 and 1. Let's see. Okay, so how we can do this one is equal to, let's use the function rand. That's it. So every time whenever you make any changes or something, it will update the value here. You can see, right? Okay, so for example, let's say you would like to generate a random number between 0 and 100. Let's see how we can do this. So the same one is equal to rand of, so multiplied by, let's say, 100. There it go. So whenever you make some changes, you can see that it is like being updated. So now, for example, let's talk about the dice rolls. Okay, so generate dice rolls game, dice rolls game, generate a random number between 1 and 6, right? So let's see how we can achieve this. So how we can achieve this one? So is equal to rand of into multiplied by 6. So if I do rand multiplication of 6, for example, rand sometimes it may generate like 0.84 into 6, right? So let's do this one, 0 point this one. And it can sometimes it generates a value like in the decimals as well. So that's a reason I would like to have plus 1 over here. Okay, this is fine. And now because we have added a plus 1 here, so sometimes what happens, it may generate a value which is 7. So that's the reason I'm going to minus 1 here. And so I'm going to do this one, like 6 minus 1 and plus 1. So if in case if the generated value is 5, 5 plus 1 is a 6. So let's do this one. Now whenever we make some changes here, you can see that it is generating the value. But now we would like to round this value to give the specific number like 1 and 6, right? So for that, what we can do is equal to round of 0. That's it. So now whenever we update some value, it will generate the values in between 1 and 6. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video.